All right, I'm gonna just say it plain because clearly we need to stop sugarcoating it. You keep giving wife energy to men who don't even like you like that. Period. You out here loyal, consistent, showing up like a whole partner. Meanwhile, he don't even text you back on time. He barely calls you, and when he do, it's on his time. So what do? You overcompensate, you lean in, you start thinking if I just do more, cook for him, be more understanding, prove you're different, then maybe, just maybe, he'll finally see you. But he's not confused, baby. He just ain't applying. And you out here holding interviews, giving away full-time benefits to a man that showed up with part-time interest. You keep letting men audition for a role you already filled. And I need you to ask yourself why. Let's really talk about why you keep doing this. Because it ain't about him, it's about you. You were taught early on that love had to be earned. That if you just be good enough, quiet enough, useful enough, maybe somebody will finally choose you. So now, every time a man shows you a little attention, you try to lock it in before it disappears. That's why you start acting like a wife to a man who ain't even calling you his woman. It's not because you're desperate. It's because you're scared. Scared that if you don't perform, he'll leave. And even worse, scared that if he does leave, it means something's wrong with you. But here's the truth your mama didn't tell you, and that your friends may not even know how to tell you. Your worth ain't in what you give. It ain't in how much you tolerate, how much you sacrifice, or how much you ride for somebody who never show up for you. That's not love. That's anxiety. That's survival mode. That's abandonment womb screaming, if I just give more, maybe I'll finally feel chosen. Let me tell you what is really costing you. Your peace, your confidence, your identity. Every time you show up for a man who's not even consistent, you chip away at your own self-trust. You start second-guessing your needs, your feelings, your instincts. Like, maybe you are too sensitive. Maybe you are asking for too much. No, sis, you're just asking the wrong man. And the sad part, the longer you stay, the more you abandon yourself just to keep a connection alive. You'll just sit there in silence while he dismisses you. You'll act unbothered when he pulls away. You'll lower your standards, your voice, your value, just to avoid being too much. But let's be real. It don't matter how chill you are. If he ain't ready, he ain't ready. And if he don't want you, he ain't gonna wake up tomorrow and just magically value you just because you played it cool. So stop trading your softness for proximity. That ain't love. That's emotional labor. And it's draining the hell out of you. First of all, stop showing up full for people who don't even show up halfway. I don't care how fine he is, how good the chemistry feels, or how much potential he has. Potential don't pay emotional bills. Consistency does, safety does, reciprocation does. You gotta start making men earn your softness. Not because you're bitter, but because you're healed. Because you know what it costs to pour from an empty cup and call it love. Next time you feel the urge to overcompensate, pause. Ask yourself, why am I doing this? What am I trying to prove? 9 times out of 10, you'll realize you're trying to convince someone to choose you instead of choosing yourself. And baby, you deserve more than half efforts, late replies, and I'm just going with the flow energy. Let him go. Let the fantasy go. Let the version of you that keeps settling go. Listen, this doesn't mean stop being soft. It means stop giving it to men who never deserved it. You are not here to babysit grown men into emotional maturity. You are not here to wait around hoping someone sees your worth. You are the prize. You are the table. You've been the experience. You don't gotta audition for what you already are. So if this video hit you in the chest, if you felt that little lump in your throat, that little pause in your breath, that's your cue. It's time to stop performing. It's time to stop fixing. It's time to stop settling. Drop "I'm done auditioning" in the comments if you're reclaiming your energy. Like this video, subscribe, and stay close. I'm not here to teach you how to keep a man. I'm here to remind you how not to lose you trying.